all you cool cats and kittens, and welcome back to Crisis Classroom. Today we're going to be talking about lines of symmetry, so come on, let's go. Now before we get started, I'm going to show you a video of how to draw a face on your hand. So here we go. Here is my hand, right? You can see there's nothing on it. I'm going to start by drawing my eyes. All right, I have my eyes there, you can see. Now I'm gonna give some lips. And now I have a hand puppet. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Hi, how are you? Hello. The line of symmetry is an imaginary line that can cross through a shape and divide it into two equal halves. So, for example, if we were to take our rectangle, cut it in half, we would have two equal halves that folded over each other. However, if we had a shape like, looks kind of like Texas. If we had the shape of Texas and we folded it in half, it would not be two equal parts. We would have some overlap. So I'm going to show you some examples in the mirror and you can actually try it at home. Okay, as you can see, we are in my bathroom and this is my mirror. Start by drawing a shape. Put it against the mirror to see if you were correct. If it completes your shape, then it is a line of symmetry. If it does not complete your shape, for example, this one should have been a heart, it is not a line of symmetry. All right, now we're gonna go through some problems that you might find on your homework. Circle the figures that have a line of symmetry, cross out the figures that do not have a line of symmetry. So we know that a line of symmetry is an invisible line that can cut a shape in half evenly and not have any more or less. So, all right, this next one. I can actually see a couple lines of symmetry. I know if I cut it in half this way, then it would fold and this side would match up with this side. I know if I cut it in half this side, then this side would match up with this side. I think I could cut it in half. Yeah, I could. I cut it in half this way. I cut it in half this way. There are lots of ways the shape could be cut. So it does have lines of symmetry. All right, number 10. I know I can't cut it this way. I know I can't cut it that way. Maybe this way if I cut it. Nope, I can still see there's a lot more on this side than on this side. So I'm going to cross this one out. All right, number 11. This one's a weird shape. I think I can already tell that it's not going to have a line of symmetry. There's no way it's going to have it this way, and there's no way it's going to have it this way, or diagonal, or any ways. So we are going to cross this one out. All right, number 12. Looks like we have a line of symmetry right there. If we were to fold it in half, this side would match up with this side. All right, number 13, I can see two lines of symmetry. I can see one here, and I can see one here. Determine whether the dotted line is a line of symmetry for each figure, right? Yes or no. So we've got a shape here, and they have cut it in half this way. So they are wondering, is that a line of symmetry? If we were to take this side, fold it in half, would it match up with this side? The answer is no. All right, this one. If we were to take this side, cut it off so it wasn't there, put this side against a mirror, would our shape look like this? No. It would look something like this. So no. Ooh. All right, number 16. If we were to take this, cut it down the middle, would we get that shape? So if we took this, cut it in half, put it against a mirror, yes, we would get this shape, except it would look better than the way I just drew it. Draw the other half of each symmetrical shape. So we need to draw it so that if we put it against a mirror, we would see its other half. So it's gonna look something like that, except not exactly, but sorta. And this one would have to look something like that. Okay. So I hope you like my video. Make sure to like and subscribe below, okay? Bye.